guys.
So we're going home.
Here. We're going home.
It's...
Pakita mo yung tapsilog. Sir, ang ganda. Ang galing guys, may tapsilog dito and sobrang bango niya.
Oo, kayo mo. Nakasandal ako.
Daming tao.
We're
There's a
going
lot
home.
of cars. 24 hours siya.
24 hours?
Oo.
Really?
Yeah, sobrang.
Bye.
Ang bango. Naamoy niyo ba guys?
I'm gonna take a video fast. Here's my lunch for today. Chop suey and my little dessert. I shouldn't use the phone while charging, but here we go. This once. Hello, it's me again. I didn't plan on coming back here today to study, since I plan to do my studying at home and in my room. But since we don't have Wi-Fi, I don't know what's the problem with Converge. I got no choice and came here to have some connection. But when I came here, they also don't have Wi-Fi. So I don't know what I will do now. I think I'll just relax here and spend my time thinking what I should do even without internet. Yeah, that's all.
Listen to the birds, I was sent to sleep, only in you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if the rains everything will be alright. For as long as no one sings the
automatic yung basa.
Take a little time, baby. See the butterflies colors. Listen to the birds that was sent to sleep. Only you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even in the rain, for stars.
Post mo na. 3977! Wait lang! Bengalina, baby! Utang niya ng bata. Uy, post nyo na! 3977! Kaya bago na yung nilagay ko. I just woke up and I'll do my skincare now. I've been listening to music, but I don't know if I can record it too. I don't know much about copyrights. My mom is cooking marinated pork ba yan, ma? I can't see.
Ba't ang dilim?
Kasi nga yung privacy protection. Ano? Privacy screen protector. This is the place I usually go to be with nature. That's our green mango tree. It hasn't been plucked out before. There's this is not here, these things, and I can see the sky more widely. But now, this part, I'm so sad. Hello, I just finished 2 tasks. And let's go to activities. It is already 11:40 a.m. So it's time for lunch. Biscuit pork. My mom cooked it. I'm doing my laundry today. These are the things that will be left after my laundry today. My outdoor clothes. This is the washing machine. These are the water. I already filled them so I can fill it easily. I'm soaking my white clothes and outdoor casual clothes or outdoor clothes in Downy. This is where I hang the clothes. I just finished my laundry and I'm going out to buy something and print some papers. Going back home.